What's up, Wonders of London fans? This is Vincent from Wonders of London, and I'm just by Harrow School. And of course, Harrow School is one of the most famous schools in England, and in fact it rivals Eton. And in fact, Harry and William, the princes, went to Eton, and had they when they were at Eton, they would probably have called Harrow on the Hill the Hump on the Bump, because they have a rivalry with the students of Harrow on the Hill, where we currently are. And you've had quite a few famous individuals studying here at Harrow on the Hill and enjoying these phenomenal views that we can see at the moment. And do any of you recognize this song? You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. Of course, that is James Blunt. James Blunt is one of the former students of Harrow School, and of course we also have another famous student who is Benedict Cumberbatch. He studied here at this beautiful and amazing school that looks a little bit like Hogwarts. And of course, it's not just actors and musicians. We've had prime ministers and politicians studying here, and one of the most famous politicians to study here is, of course, the great Winston Churchill. In any case, I do hope you've enjoyed this little video of Harrow School, and do have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.